What's up, everyone? JT's Daddy 21 here to do box number 2 of SP Threads 2009 football. And that is the box ID. And we'll get to this one last. I'll try and get through this one quicker, and hopefully this will be a pretty short video. I think the last one took roughly about almost 9 minutes, so try and make this one a little bit faster. Alright, here we go. First rookie, Ramses Barden of the New York Giants. Not numbered. Rookie card of Lawrence Sidbury of the Atlanta Falcons. All base. A rookie card of TJ Lang of the Green Bay Packers. And our Letterman card is Jason Smith, numbered 9 of 24. Autograph rookie Letterman patch. Die cut card of Patrick Willis. Triple jersey of rookie Darius Heyward-Bey, numbered 153 of 199. Die cut of Eli Manning. All base cards. See, rookie card of Larry English of the San Diego Chargers. Dual jersey card of Brady Quinn and Carson Palmer, numbered 131 of 199. Die cut of Matt Ryan. Let's see, a die cut of Reggie Brown. Dual jersey card of Nate Davis, number 275 of 299. It looks like we have another rookie letter patch of Chase Kaufman, numbered 7 of 11. A rookie card of Henry Melton of the Chicago Bears. And our last patch. A die cut of LeRon McClain. And that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Bye.